Hey guys, what's going on? Dara Addison, torpedopot.com. Uh, I don't know what to say, man. Dude, and a 20-inch planter, I'm growing about 300 tomatoes. I'm coming out today to pick me some breakfast, and so I gotta have something to eat. Now, it's probably the first time I'm picking off this plant, so I haven't touched it. So I'm coming out and just picking what I want. See, this is how I want to enjoy my life. While you guys are sitting at home starving and what you're gonna eat next, I basically just come out. I pick my food and I eat it. Mm. I got about 300 tomatoes to choose from. Mm. These are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. They grow my food for me. I don't have to run to the supermarket like you do. I don't even have to leave my house. I come outside, I get my breakfast, and I eat it. I've got about 300 of these growing in 20 inches. And it's probably going to be like 500, but 300 now that I've identified growing in 20 inches. And so what I do is that I'm about to have breakfast, and so I come out and just get my food so I can eat it. And as you can see, they're now ripe at the same time. And I picked off some of the green ones, but don't worry, they'll go in my stomach also. But I really like the red ones. They're so pretty. Aren't they pretty? See, this is not like your tomatoes. There's no flaws in this, okay? We don't have stuff that you have, insect bites and all this. We don't have that stuff in our tomatoes. This is torpedo pie. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your water, your seeds and your plants in this planter, and it grows your food for the rest of your life. All you have to do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and you'll have food for the rest of your life. You'll never ever have to worry about food again in your life. And that's how it is here. We're growing thousands of these tomatoes. I never have to leave my house. I just come out and pluck them, and I eat them. Now, the ones I'm going to pluck off, they're ready to ripe. You won't see any infested tomatoes like you have. My tomatoes don't have problems with them. They're perfect in every way. I never water, I never feed them. All I do is supplement once a week, and they grow food for me all the time. I never ever have to grow food again in my life. The reason why is because mankind could never grow food. Food grows by itself. And so I'm coming out to see what I can get to flex on you. Because there's no way for you to be going back and forth to the supermarket to buy food. It's the most ridiculous thing in the world. You spend money to get there, you spend money to get back. Then you got to throw away all the packages. You got to buy the food. You destroy the environment with the packaging and everything else. But me, no. I come out and get my food. I eat it all the time. It's the ultimate flex. This is the way to tell the systems that have been benefiting off of you no more. No more am I going to put money in somebody else's pocket. I'm going to grow my own food. I'm going to have fun when I'm doing it because I don't grow it. The torpedo pot grows it for me. And so I'll have a light breakfast, and I come out and get something to eat. Let me see, I saw some of the other planters back there. We're growing corn also. Look at the corn on the top. Isn't that beautiful? Man, I got to come out and I got to pollinate this thing. Looks great. Let's see if there's any tomatoes down here. Give me a minute. Yeah, I think I got enough. I'm going to put this with some other spices that we're growing in the garden. And those you see behind me are thousands of more tomatoes that will grow. Again, these are torpedo pots. You never water, you never feed. You simply put your seeds and your plants in the planter. And they'll grow thousands of these little tomatoes just for you. Just for you. You'll never ever have to leave your house. Never have to go to a supermarket. Put your seeds and plants in those planters. Timer, you turn the timer on, it waters all by itself. You don't have to do anything else. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to enjoy my food. I'm sorry, I can go through and count all these tomatoes with you. What for? It's too boring. You'll find a way out. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.